So many. Wow, so many in the car here. Cheers.
50,000
50,000.
متاعش خوب بشه بیاد لک دو لک کال دیگه دیگه متیش کسی 20,000 نمیخره.
Before it was about 2,000 US dollar, 3,000
Wow,
US.
good morning from Kabul. So today I'm going to a bird market. It's not the same bird market as I went to the last time. It's a different one. Apparently it's a big one and it's only on a Friday. But I actually met some tourists. I met Marius from Germany and Rodriguez from Barcelona. So they're joining us. I'm with Vice again here. We're off to see some birds. I don't know. Look how quiet it is today. It's Friday. Peaceful day here. In the morning anyway. It's such a complete difference. Okay, we have a taxi. Friday market just goes on and on forever. On both sides of the street. I'm still in Kabul. It's been a week nearly. No, it's not quite been a week. It's kind of like my normal MO. I come here, I end up getting stuck here for a week or so. But I don't mind because there's always so much to do here in Kabul, different areas and everything. I see birds. I'm not quite sure what part this is, but this is all the carpets. I think we're walking around. I see many people with the birds heading off to the markets. Books and rugs. People apparently come from all over Afghanistan for this. Okay.
Because I should take care of
This is like the old bird market that I came to. First of all, there's more on a Friday. Holy chaos, chaos, chaos. Where's the knife? So this is the place I came last August. It was not this busy. So many people here.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Fine.
Yes.
You are healthy today?
I'm good, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good, good.
Come to my shop.
Okay. What are you selling here?
This shop is me.
This is your shop?
Yeah.
All right. What is your name?
My name is Ubaidullah. You can call me PK.
PK.
Yeah.
This is PK. Ah, you got lots of birds here. So Friday is a busy day?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Are these lovebirds?
Yeah, this bird is Pakistan, from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
Okay. And this?
It's China.
China?
Yeah.
It came all the way from China?
Yes.
Ah. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Thank you.
Whoa, really? Ow! Ow! Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Is he gonna bite me? Yeah. Yeah? Biting me. Oh! Thank you. Oh. Hello. Hello. How are you? Cute. Thank you.
My brother.
Hello.
His name is Zavid. Zavid.
Zavid? Nice to meet you.
He's the best wrestler.
Wrestler?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a wrestler? In Kabul?
Yes.
All right, okay. Very good. Wrestler. All right. Now we have a crowd. Hello. What you got there? Pigeon?
Oh, he's a pigeon lover.
You're a pigeon lover?
Yeah.
So many pigeons.
Yeah.
Ah, Ah, very nice. You got double pigeons. Double pigeon. Chaos, chaos. This guy's the bird cage maker. Ah. I'm sure he's been doing this his whole life, huh? Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm gonna try and get out of here. Yeah, this is just. But it spills onto the street when we get further up. It's not just this. Way up and out. It's very hot today. Hello. Hi. So I remember all this from last time. Hello. This way? Shy kids. Hello. Hi. Hello. And knives. I don't know why there's knives at the bird market. There is. Birds and knives, it seems. Hello. Oh, look. He has these. They're from Pakistan? Pakistan, yeah. Lovebirds from Pakistan. Very nice. Oh, oh. Community spirit here. Hello, salam. Hello, how are you? What did you got there? 4? They're yours? Yes? Salam alaikum. Somebody here making corn. I'm so thirsty right now. Hello. What do we got here? Special ones. They're just giant ones here. I'm thinking we're just walking straight. I'm not sure. And then we're gonna come out on the street. By your birthday. Making drinks.
Ah, thank you.
Ah, looks like a good drink.
Thank you.
Yes. No idea what he's making.
Ah, thank you. Sharbata.
What is that?
This is a kind of soup.
Oh, it's soup.
Yeah, but this is very cool. This is not.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I'll be trying that.
Yeah, no. You'll have a stomach.
All right. So there's a little tiny corner here where the women are selling things. I don't know what they're selling. I can't get in because it's a little busy. They're selling clothes. What is this? I don't know what it is. Oh, it's for the birds? It's for the bird nest?
Yeah.
Ah, right, okay. Wow, it's really crowded here, look. Look at these little tiny ones. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Tashako. It's so funny, everybody's just standing around and they're selling birds. Are they just all trying to sell birds?
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Good, how are you? Are these all your birds? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, now we're going out there.
You should go in this direction.
Okay. Salam alaikum. Here we have your sugar cane. It's like a car boot sale. Let's go see what's going on over here. Oh my God, they actually bring them in that car boot. Look at this. They're roosting. So many. Wow, so many in the car here. Oh my gosh. Where did they come from? They just drive with them all in the car like this?
از کجا آوردین میگه یارا؟
از کابل.
This is Kabul's Pigeon.
Look at all these pigeons. A car full of pigeons. They just drive with them all in the car. So everybody's got a bird in their hand. Oh, more pigeons. So, oh, I don't know what they do with them. They keep them for pets.
Emma, you know this is a big business in Afghanistan.
What do they do with them? They keep them for pets?
Yeah,
Or they train them?
they train them and they fight them
Oh,
on the air.
okay.
So they play with the pigeons.
Hello, I'm good. How are you? How are you? Wow. Nice, nice.
Hello, Lismanga.
What is this? Cherry?
Yeah, it's cherry.
It looks good. Maybe I should try some. Cherry juice?
Yeah, do you want?
Yeah, I'll try some.
Yeah, gelos bitte da.
Thank you. Thank you. Cherries. Very good. It's got a little salt taste to it, like You want to try some? Let's try it. Cherries. The salty flavor. Next door. Do you like it?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Cheers. Very good, thank you. Thank you very much. Tashako. Did you decide? Did you like it?
Yes, very much.
Yeah, you like
Very chilly place.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? You're good?
Just give me a kiss.
Hi. And it's cherry juice. I do recommend the cherry juice. I don't know what some of these kids are saying sometimes. They could be swearing and I would never know it. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Zindabad Islam, Allahu Akbar.
Afghanistan Zindabad.
America good country. America wonderful country.
Really? I'm from Scotland.
Scotland good country.
Yes. Thank you. Salam alaikum. How are you? Trying some melon here. Wow, he's a heart. It's his. Wow, look at you.
This is just 10 Afghani.
Oh, 10 up. Let's try a piece of this. Melon. I've got everything in my hands here. It's really good. Good, right? Sweet. But I'm eating my hair.
It's really sweet.
Get my hair out of my mouth. All right, trying to cross the road here is Major. Hi, good, how are you? Hello. All right, so we're one man down. Rodriguez went left. He said he couldn't stand the crowds. So it's just us now. Actually, away from that crowded market, it feels so good now. Oh, you're making apple juice? I just had some juice. I just had some juice, but that looks so good. Maybe later I'll try some apple juice. It looks good. Thank you, I'll come back. Apple juice, apple juice. If it was pomegranate juice, I would have had a million of it. What's that? What is here?
There are markets.
Oh, interesting. I don't know what kind of market is up here. Salam.
أنا خالدي. إيش هو دي؟
Up on the top.
Hola. أنا بياكل بيقول
Oh, more birds. Is this more like a private one?
Yeah, this is a specific
Or this is
market for
Is this
just
the-
one bird.
One
Yeah,
bird? What
yeah.
kind of bird is this?
This is we call it cap.
A cuck? A cuck. This is a cuck mark.
Cap.
Cuck.
Yeah, but I don't know what you call it in English.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Do you know what that's called in English? Is this a fully grown? I've never seen it before.
Kind of.
That's, ah, salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
How are you? Hello. I'm good. How are you? Hi. Oh, this is a nice big fat one.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one.
They're very expensive. Emma?
They're very.
one is very
Oh, really? How much do they cost?
قيمتي چند است؟
قیمتی از 50,000
50,000 Afghani. It's close to 500 US dollar.
$500.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh.
دیگهش قیمتاش چند است؟
10,000 15,000 20,000
Yeah. This is different prices.
For different.
Yeah,
Oh,
for different
okay.
one. So
Wow.
10,000 Afghani, 1,000 Afghani. The
Oh.
highest is 50,000 Afghani.
50,000.
قیمتاش خوب گوش بیاد
This
1 2 لک حال دیگه دیگه قیمت هیچ کسی 20,000 هم نمیخره
Before it was about 2,000 US dollar, 3,000
Wow,
US dollar.
really?
And now,
Wow, $2,000 for one of these?
yeah, because
Wow.
people
What-
fight them against each
Oh,
other.
they're used for
Yeah.
fighting.
Yeah, they use that for
I
fighting.
see. I see. Has he been doing this all his life, bringing these?
شما اگر تمام زندگیتان این کار انجام دادین؟
نه آقای نمی کسب و کار ماست
He said, yes, this is
میخریم
my business.
Yeah.
I buy and sell. This is my
Okay,
business.
okay. And how's business? Has he been busy? Has he sold many birds?
میگه که چطور از شما زیاد مفروشین یا کم مفروشین؟
حال مزهش نیست
He says the weather is not good.
No good.
Just
No.
the economic of
Yeah.
country is not
That's
good.
sad.
Yeah.
Okay.
The situation is not good here.
Right, right.
وضعیت مملکت خراب است دیگه به قصه چیزا کسی نیست مردم باش کم سیر
He
نیست
says
چیزا را
people don't have job now. They
Yes,
buy it
so they
and-
can't afford a bird. That's sad. Oh. So, do the birds just live here?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Do they fly?
No.
No, they don't fly. So you got a nice view here. Perfect. This is the way to watch the market up here. Because it's mental down there. I see, like when you're driving along, you'll see big orange. You'll see trucks with big orange bags on it, and it's usually filled with cotton. I need to get out of here. We're standing here chit-chatting on the corner, and a crowd of people are coming, and I'm thirsty. So we're gonna get a taxi back to the hotel. All right. So that was it from the bird market. So on a Friday, you saw the traditional old one where I walked through the last time, but it was really crowded today. And then this one that extends right out onto the street here every Friday morning. That's it.